how to start your email marketing strategy from scratch. Why should you start an email marketing strategy first? Because the day that you are not going to be able to post on Instagram, to post on YouTube, you're not going to be able to connect with your traffic externally, well, you're going to be in deep trouble if you do not have a way to directly talk to them. That's why building a list is so important. That's why I'm sharing with you that step-by-step process right now. So let's get after the step-by-step process. Number one, you simply create a lead generation page. Now, I went over deeply how you can create a simple lead generation page that gives results extremely fast. Go back into a few episodes of Marketing Commando to check it out. But the thing is, you got to make it simple. You got to make it attractive, so they got to really see the value of, hey, I need to check out that offer. I need to check out what it is. Make it simple. Don't make it overcomplicated. One call to action, one button, a form with a quick photo of your product. Sometimes doesn't even need to be, and an headline. That's it. Lead pages are by far and the easiest to do. Second step, after they enter your list, so they got your freebie, they entered your list, what should they do? You start building a relationship with a series of emails. So those emails are a specific way to, let's say, enter into your universe. So oftentimes what we would do is that we will craft a specific sequence of different emails that each subscribers will get. Oftentimes it's 5 emails that they will get day after day. So they will get email number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5. And the goals of those emails are written in a specific way to build that relationship and to connect and to introduce them into what you do, into your first offers, into what you do. So you start with building those little series of emails, oftentimes 5. And then after that, what you do is that you put them in a broadcast sequence. That's what we oftentimes do. I would say that's the simplest way to do it. So broadcast sequence is basically like your newsletter to the general public of that everybody in your list can get. So let's say you are like, okay, you put them in a sequence at the beginning, and after that you put them into the general sequence. And then last thing that you should always remember to deliver the emails to your active subscribers only. So when you see people that are not engaging with your content, that are not opening your emails, oftentimes those softwares will drop them automatically. But you got to make sure that you put them out of that list. And that's not a problem if you do lose those customers. That's not a problem. Hey, Gabriel, yes, but that makes me lose some subscribers. Hey, that's not a problem. They showed interest. Now they don't. That doesn't mean that they will not need your product in the future. So now they're just not engaged with you. Cool, no problem. And maybe they will buy with you in 1 year. So you can try to re-put them through a sequence of re-engaging them, those 5 emails we just talked about. So maybe you send them to a new offer. They're like, oh, I'm interested in that new offer, a new little freebie, new landing page, new thing. You restart the process basically. You put them through the sequence again if they're inactive. You wait a few months and then you throw them through a new sequence again. Some of them are going to drop, of course, but some of them are going to come back and I'm going to be like, okay, I'm interested again. Like I'm looking at your solution again. Because maybe at the moment that were into your list, they were not invested enough into what you do, into looking at what you do to actually check it out. Those step-by-step processes, I really love them and I really like how they work. The thing is, I really appreciate to have something that I can always look at and be like, okay, I'm applying the steps because I'm sharing those things every day at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to make sure that you guys remember. But the thing is, I'm sharing those things every day. The only problem that I got with that is that I'm sharing so much information that you guys may have trouble to actually implement it. And that's a big problem because, hey, I can share with you all the best marketing tips in the world. If you do not apply them, that has no interest to me. I want to make sure that you guys actually get on, take on the new strategies, apply them as fast as possible because we got a lot of new things coming up, but applying them as fast as possible so you can get on and grow your business as fast as possible. So that's why, guys, I created a quick resource. I created a quick guide on making sure that the daily actions, that's something that never has been done before. You guys on Clubhouse, if you want to check it out, you got to go on YouTube. You got to go on YouTube because I'm too stupid to figure out how to put a link on Clubhouse yet. But the thing is, I created a daily action plan for the guys that are watching this show. I put up a daily action plan, which means that every, step-by-step process I put up every day, there is going to be a page on the internet that is going to give you specific things. Hey, do this and that, and go deeper into what software you're going to use. What are the things that you are going to be able to do? And what are the other things that I don't go too much in details into the video because, we don't have forever to talk about that subject, but I go deep into how you can apply that strategy into your daily business, into your daily activities. And that's going to take you no longer than 10 minutes a day. So make sure that you go to gabrieljulié.com//action plan, gabrieljulié.com/action plan. In that action plan, you will be able to have the plan of the day. I'm going to put it up right after the show is done, and it's going to change every day. So it's going to force you to get the thing done because, hey, when the new show starts, I erase everything and you will have the new tactics of the day. So it's going to be a daily thing because each time I put a process out, you're going to have a step-by-step process on how to implement for you. But you got to go quick. You got to apply it fast because you got one day to do it, 24 hours. I love that concept. I love that concept, man. So for the guys on YouTube, I'm going to show you the links. It's gabrieljulié.com/action plan, gabrieljulié.com/action plan. Make sure you check out the Commando Daily Action Plan because that's going to help you tremendously increment your business and generate sales automatically with online marketing.